click on this gear icon to go to your settings. Then scroll down a bit and tap on the payments option over here under the product settings section. After that, click on the payment method option. Right here, you may scroll down until you see the iDEAL Wero option. Then you want to click on it. Make sure to enable first or turning on first the iDEAL Wero as one of the payment method, and you will see this option to enable or disable either one-time payment and the recurring payment. For example, I want to disable the recurring payment when my customer using iDEAL Wero. Then switch off the toggle over here. And you are good to go. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.